Hi, I'm Dr. Brenda Stratton, and I want to tell you that these words connect, coach, and close, that's in my memory bank now. And I've been with Dr. Fred. I was his first person to sign up for the Mastermind program, so it's been many years, and I've seen him grow tremendously. And what he has taught us is so valuable because just like in business and the kingdom, you connect with people through gifts of friendship. And those, you just take some couple of people to promote you and get you to the next level. So he has really encouraged us to go to the next level with him. And so one of the things that really got me going is I got to check my numbers and know my numbers. So I'm going to do that because that's some area I was weak in. And I'm going to grow forward in that. That was better.